In this lecture, I will show you how to draw a floor plan from a blank or a scratch file. Okay, to start from a zero level, here you can start by clicking this start drawing, or you can click new or open an existing drawing. Okay, so I will start from a scratch file. Here are different templates you can select. Okay, here I am selecting ACAD DWT, AutoCAD drawing template. Okay, that is by default in FPS and US customary unit system. First of all, before starting the drawing of a floor plan, you have to set the units. Okay, for the units you have to enter shortcut key UN, press enter. Here are the units. Okay, so for this drawing I will select architectural. Okay, this type of unit system will be displayed in fit and in system. The precision is for this drawing 1 by 4 0 feet 1 by 4 inch. Okay, and the units are in inches. Okay, when I enter anything like 3, 4 and without units, press enter, the software will automatically understand the units are in inches. Okay, so units for specifying intensity, that international is okay, press ok. Now I will draw a rectangle of a simple plan. Here select rectangle, select anywhere. Okay, the first point is selected. Now for second point I will enter dimensions. Okay, now the one side length I will put 55 feet dash 00 inches. Okay, then specify the width of the rectangle. I will put 35 feet dash 00 inch. Enter. Okay, now the rectangle has been drawn. Now which side I will draw? Definitely in the first quadrant. I will just click. Okay, now the rectangle has been drawn. Okay, to zoom the whole drawing, okay, I will just enter the key Z, then press A to zoom all. Okay, here is all the rectangular shape. Pick a line, then come to this corner. Okay, so then just move upward. You will see extension. Okay, you can just directly enter the point, like I am entering 15 feet. Okay, software auto will automatically bring me to this position. Okay, if you do not see this option, you can go here in the snap. Okay, here is the extension. Okay, you have to disable the nearest point, then the extension option will be enabled. Okay, now I will move 15 feet in the negative x direction. Okay, I will put at the rate symbol. Okay, I want to move 15 feet. Okay, okay, at the 180-degree angle. Now I will further move. Now my extension is enabled. You can see I will just directly put 20 feet. Okay, I got the next point. To end this line, okay, I will just press shift, then 90-degree line or ortho line will automatically enable. Okay, to snap at this end I will just go center, keep press shift button. Okay, you will see the cross, just click. Okay, you will automatically get the end point on the left side. Now I will press escape, or by right clicking you can press enter. Now again pick a line. Okay, and from this point move by using the extension, enter 20 feet. Okay, comes down, press enter. Now by using offset home, here is the offset command. Okay, enter the distance for offset. I will put 20 feet. Click the offset command. Okay, and enter the distance, how much offset you want to put. So here I will put 14 feet. Enter. Click this line. Okay, in which direction you want the offset, either left or right, click that side. Okay, you will get the offset. Now I will again pick a line. Okay, and here my 15 feet point where that I have drawn already, I will click this point and at bottom side. Now I will use the offset command and draw the wall thicknesses. Okay, when I click the offset command, now I will enter the wall thicknesses. For outer walls I will enter 9 inch. Okay, here I have selected. Now I want outer side or inside. Okay, so I want my outer side dimension should be 55 feet, so I will not go outside, I will go inside. Okay, so for the inner walls I will use 4.5 inch thickness. So exit again, by pressing escape I will again offset. Now I will enter 4.5. okay, inverted commas, 4.5 inch, enter. Okay, so how I am entering this, you can see in the keyboard. Here is a AutoCAD shortcut keys. For entering fit command I will use this apostrophe sign, and for the inches I use these inverted commas. By pressing shift, pressing this button, then the upper symbols will be enabled, the inverted commas. Okay, now I have entered the 4.5 inch. Now I will select the walls. Okay, this wall to the inside, this wall to this side, this wall to this side, this side, this side, and this side. Okay, so now I have applied the walls. Okay, one wall is left. I will again go to this line. Okay, from this point now I will go to line command because I have skipped this one point. I will explain what is that extension. Okay, I will use 6 feet, enter. Okay, press shift key, you will get the endpoint insertion. If you are not getting, just get the reference from the center and click here. Now I will use the offset command. Okay, here is the offset command. The 4.5 inch already entered, just press enter. Okay, click this. Now I will remove the inner extra lines by using trim command. You can enter TR trim command. Okay, press again enter. Here Now all walls are cleared. Now I will show you how to make the doors and how to make the blocks. Before starting that, I will define some layers. Okay, go to layers, add some layers. Okay, first of all, window, then door, walls, text, hatch, add new layer for dimensions. Okay, you can assign different colors. Okay, for example, for windows I am assigning this color. For doors I am assigning this color. For walls, okay, I am keeping white color, and for text also keep the white color. For hedge use some yellow lines. For dimensions you can also keep it as white, okay, or you can use the red color. Okay, so that's how we define the different layers. Okay, now I will make the block. How to make a block? For example, I will draw a door. Okay, I will just click rectangle. Okay, I will pick the first point. Then for drawing the second point, I will use @ symbol. Now I will enter the length for the rectangle. Okay, I am using 3 inch. Okay, then comma, the height of this rectangle I am putting 3.5 feet. Enter. Okay, now I will draw a small rectangle. Okay, anywhere I will put the first point, then press and @ symbol, then again enter 3 inch, comma, now I will just put 6 inch. Okay, I got the small rectangle. Move from this point to this point. Okay, now I will draw the arc. For drawing the arc I will use center, start and end. Okay, this one is the center, this one is the start of the arc, and to snap, okay, this is the end of the arc. Now I will just make a copy of this rectangle, copy, and copy from this point to this point. Okay, now the door I have made. Now I will select this all the geometry and go to door. Okay, I will assign the door. Now the door is complete. Okay, so now here on behind there is grid, so I will just disable the grid. Okay, I will just click here. Now I will just make the copy of this geometry, copy from this point to this point. Okay, now select this one, again make the mirror at this point. Okay, do you want the erased regional one? No, this one. Okay, now I will make the block. Okay, before making the block I will make the block for rectangle, for window. Okay, I will again pick the rectangle,